And now I'm joined by amantombazane ladlalela iPhefeni Ladies FC. Bebethe kutobukela igame namuhla, bethe kutosupporta labanye badlali labakompete against bona tuke Mpumalanga Women's Sasol League. Bangani bami, namuhla nithe kutobukela on the field usually manidlala during i-league. Nivamise kulwa nabo lana bo Mavis Nkosi bona lady, nivamise kulwa nabo. Namhlanje nithe kutoba supporta lana, they are here to play iBanyana Banyana. Nani kunigcugcutela njani lokho?
La kusigqugqutela ukuthi nathi sikhone kuya phambili, sikhone kudlala football good, sitokhona nathi khona basibone like locally, sitokhona nathi kuba nabo siba support, sibe supportive kuze nabo bato support.
Ubuka the way ibhola bathini njengemdlali webhola wena tuke Mpumalanga Sasol League, le game yanamuhla uyibone njani and kuqhuqhutela ukuthi wena uperform njani, knowing very well ukuthi nakusasa kune game wena utiva njani ngaloko?
Angitiva ukuthi kumele ngiphushe kakhulu kwebhola, ngidlale as like Mavis bekadlala ngoba ngidlala le line bekadlala lona, ngiphushe kakhulu.
Hayi, uma sesisonzela lokhu niPhefeni Ladies namuhla uniphumile namuhla nithe kutoyisupport iBanyana under 20 iBanyana Banyana. Uma uyibuka lento leyo kubaluleke nganani kusupportana very bathini supportana irregardless of the teams with the different teams you play for in the league?
Baluleke ngekuthi asithi kutosupporta kuphela, sita nekuthatha nema-skills lesingawadi kulabanye nange-play nange-performance le kahle kuthatha lama-skills.
I-performance namhla uyayibona the way badlale ngayo, ngikuphi lo ngasho ukuthi angikuthethe lokho namhla ngimuka nako kusase gamini madlala ngokusebenzisa?
Ngithethe speed sa Jazz 11 kuBanyana Banyana nekudlala kwa Jazz 22.
Yes.
The playmaker na Jazz 2 nekudlala kwa.
Uma sesingathi siyabuka wena, uma sesibuka the way ibhola yemantombazane ikhule ngayo, wena njengemdlali lo dlala ibhola kukwenta utive njani wesimame lo dlala ibhola, kukwenta utive njani the ubona ibhola yemantombazane seyinyuke ngalendlela le kulelizinga lesekuyo nyana?
Ngitive proud like ngitive proud ukuthi ngimlo lana, nami ngitokhona ukuthola lithuba next time ngitokhona nami kudlala ukuze batongisupporta. Ngitiva proud ngekuthi nalabanye labangakhoni batokhona ubona laba thina njengalesikhona ukusibona ukuthi nabo bagqugqutele ukuthi bakhona ukudlala lebhola emantombazane.
Sibonga kakhulu lawo ba-player ama-representative players sebenze akhona la eMbombela Stadium kutobukela igame under 20 Banyana Banyana versus under 20 Eswatini Girls. Sibonga kakhulu Phefeni Ladies, all the best for tomorrow's game leyo bidlala khona la eMbombela Stadium. Sivaleni nayo ke.